Morning guys, so it's breakfast time now. So in this video I wanted to show you like what I have for breakfast maybe a couple of times a week. So I love making some porridge. So we have gluten-free oats in our house, so I use a packet of gluten-free oats and I love to make porridge in the mornings, but with a little bit of a tropical twist. I add in some papaya, which is a lovely fruit to add in, really healthy for you and tastes super delicious. Banana as well, not forgetting bananas. We use a bit of coconut and almond milk you can use, or you can use just oat milk or just almond milk, or even add a little bit of coconut cream or milk to your porridge. Use some maple syrup to sweeten everything up. It gives it a really nice nutty flavour as well. I love maple syrup. And then also some coconut chips. So you can get these in the supermarket. You can use fresh coconut or you can use desiccated, but I love to use coconut chips. It just gives it a nice bit of crunch. So yeah, let's get making some breakfast. Right, okay, so first what we do is we got about half a mugful of the gluten-free oats into the pan, and then about 1 mugful of coconut and almond milk into the pan. So they mix. Then I'm just going to add a touch of cinnamon, super tasty. So it just gives it a lovely little hint of, I think, of the islands and even a bit of Christmas as well. It's quite festive. So we've done that. Add in some bananas. Do about 1 banana in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold back the papaya for afterwards, after it's all cooked nicely. So everything's in there, ready to go on the hob. As you can see, I'm just letting it simmer gently on the hob, so all the bananas kind of go a little bit soft and everything kind of, the oats cook nicely. I can smell the coconut milk actually, it smells great. So give that about a couple of minutes, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes, and just keep stirring it every now and then. If it looks a bit thick and you want it a bit more runny, add a touch more of milk to it at the end. Right, so the porridge has been cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes and it's all pretty much done now, so I'm just going to put it into a bowl. I think there was like enough for maybe even 2 portions, but that's probably great. Then I'm just going to top on a bit extra milk because I like it just to loosen it up a bit. That looks good. So, extra milk. There we go. And then next I'm going to add in my papayas on top. There you go, a bit more papaya. That's great. Got my bananas and these amazing coconut chips, which are so addictive. Just a touch of coconut on that. Looks great. And then a dash of maple syrup. Just to drizzle it over. And that is my super simple tropical style breakfast. I hope you give it a try at home.